Hello. In this video, we will learn how to synchronize service management container images to a local container harbor repository. The container images are stored on the BMC Docker Trusted Registry, BMC DTR. By synchronizing the container images to a harbor repository, you can use the container images from a local repository. This method enables you to perform a secure deployment that does not require a direct connection to the internet. Let us first see the prerequisites to set up a harbor repository. From the electronic product distribution site, download the key to access the container images. Image pull push.sh and image sync to private registry.sh files. Use the links in the BMC Helix Service Management deployment documentation to download the platform, pipeline, platform services, smart application, and support assistant tool image files. Make sure you meet the harbor installation prerequisites, such as hardware, software, and network port requirements. Let us now see the process to set up a harbor repository. The first task is to create a harbor registry. Next, configure a harbor registry endpoint. We will now dive deep into the steps involved in synchronizing a harbor repository with BMC DTR. Log in to a Linux system where you'll perform the synchronization. Copy the scripts and image files to the system. Create a new file named images.txt for managing the synchronization process. Now, copy the platform images file to the images.txt file. Open the image sync to private registry file. Update the parameter values for source registry host, user, and password. Similarly, update the values for images registry host, username, password, and project. Finally, run the image_sync_to_private_registry.sh file. The platform images are synchronized to your harbor repository. Similarly, synchronize the smart application, pipeline, BMC Helix platform services, and support assistant tool container images by copying the relevant image file to images.txt and running the synchronization script. You have successfully synchronized your harbor repository with the service management container images. BMC certifies the use of the open source harbor repository to synchronize the container images with DTR. However, you can choose any container repository solution that is compatible with the BMC Helix Service Management. For more information, please see our product documentation on docs.bmc.com. Thank you for watching.